Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back with our Colmi P73 smartwatch, and this time we are going to check one of its main features, the Bluetooth phone call or the Bluetooth call support and the message notifications. So we are going to check on that and see if it works with SMS and other social application messages. So we are going to have a demo of these functionalities or features. So if you have any questions regarding the Colmi P73 smartwatch, especially the Bluetooth phone call and the smart notifications, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so let's start. Let's check and see if we can receive some notifications. But before that, let's check first some of the settings here. Message brightness activated. So everything seems like everything is okay. Changing vibration system references. Okay, so seems like everything is okay now. So we have here the support app. It is using the Pubu Wear application. So we are already paired here, as you can see. And I think previously when we paired it with the support app, we already activated. Okay, so we allow the notification, SMS, as well as the app notification. So everything is okay. For the time, let's check. Let's adjust this so you can see more clearly, and we don't have to turn it on and again, on and off the screen. For the quick contacts, tap here so you can add shortcut. You can select 500 contacts in your address book. Add shortcut. Okay, let's add a number here, then confirm. Contacts. Okay, I guess we already successfully synchronized or added it to our phone book. Let's see. Before we start, we are going to set it first. Little phone. Okay, it's already here. Okay, seems like everything is okay now. So let's start and have a smart notifications. Let's go first with the smart notifications. Let's go first with the WhatsApp application. Again, this is Colmi P73. So let's send a message. Okay, hello P73. Hopefully we can receive a notification. Okay, so we have here a message notification with the icon, and you have an option here to delete the message here on the smartwatch. Okay, how about the call? Can we see the call notification? Okay, so we have here incoming voice call. So you cannot receive calls here from the WhatsApp application on the smartwatch, but you can receive a notification. The next, Messenger. Let's see. Send a message. Hello P73. Okay, message sent, and we have here the notification with an icon of Facebook. It's not Messenger icon, but the Facebook icon. Again, let's see. So we have at least 2 messages here. Next, the call. Okay, it's now calling, as you can see here. And we have calling from Messenger. So it can receive call notifications from Messenger. You miss a call from Sam. Again, as you can see here, we have some icons. You can browse through the different messages on your smartwatch. Okay, next, we still have two left here, Telegram and Viber. Again, let's check. Hello, P73. Okay, we have a message here, but there's no icon as you can see. It's just the generic message icon. So we don't have a personalized icon for the Telegram. Okay, and for the call, let's see, requesting, and we have here ongoing Telegram call. And next, Viber. Let's see, hello, P73. Send a message. Message sent. Seems like there's a delay for the Viber, and we have it here. Again, there's no personalized icon or Viber icon here. We don't have it here. Okay, the same with the Telegram, except for Facebook and WhatsApp application. Let's see if it's activated here. Message notifications. Yes, that's been activated here, but we don't have a personalized or its own icon. Okay, for the call, let's see. Let's try to call. It's now calling, as you can see here. And we have here a incoming Viber call. So it works. So seems like everything works for the application notifications, as you can see here. Okay, can we still read the previous messages? Facebook and WhatsApp. Yes, it can store a lot of messages, as you can see here. Okay, we still have it here. Very good. Okay, it has a big memory for messages, to store messages. Let's try SMS. Low P73. Message sent. And we have the SMS. So it has its own icon for SMS, as you can see here. Okay, SMS. I have it here. Hello P73. And we have the time and the date. Okay, let's see if we still have the first message. And we have it here. Okay, so it works for SMS notification. Okay, it also works for application notification. Okay, that's good for our Colmi P73 smart notification. So everything works for smart notification. So this time, let's check. Let's proceed with the message or the Bluetooth phone call. Okay, we're going to have a demo of the Bluetooth phone call. Okay, let's start and have a demo of the Bluetooth phone call. Okay, as you can see here, we already activated it. Okay, draining water. We have it here, as you can see. Okay, So already activated. Hopefully we can receive a message, okay, or a phone call, Bluetooth phone call. So let's call someone and let's see. And we receive a Bluetooth phone call and we have it here. Okay, so you can receive Bluetooth phone call here. Okay, do we have the answer? Not yet. Okay, very good. Can we dial here on the smartwatch? Let's see. Contacts. It's now dialing, as you can see here. And we have it here. Okay. I think the only issue here is that we don't have the automatic name, or the name did not appear here. Okay, the caller ID. Okay, you can adjust the speaker here, as you can see. Let's end the call. Okay, it works for the Bluetooth. For the contacts, how about the dial? Viber is displaying over other apps. Okay, we'll set it later on. Let's see here. Let's dial the number. Zero 969 61 58399. Okay. So now calling this number. Let's see.
Number cannot be completed.
Oops. Maybe we made a mistake. 0969 0969 61 58399. Okay, hopefully we didn't make a mistake. Let's see. Now it is calling. Okay, so it works. And okay, so let's have another one. Let's try to call. So far the speaker's very good. Okay, very loud. Okay, let's call. Okay, I'm going to answer it here. Okay, hello. Very loud speaker so far. And call. Very good. The speaker is very good. Okay, I like the speaker. Okay, the Viber is trying to instruct us to do something later on. We're just going to do it later on. Okay, next. Okay, next. So let's check all the records here. Telephone. Then check on the call records. So we have the call history here on the smartwatch. Okay, the one that you did not answer and the one that you answered the call. Again, call records, contacts, dial pad works. Then for our messaging, we have it here. It also works. Okay, and it can store a lot of information so far. Okay, so that's it for our Colmi P73 Bluetooth phone call and smart notification function. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding the video demo, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye!